Hello mga tihik! Welcome back to my channel and we're here today sa Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf that is Ayala Terraces kay mag-claim ko sa ako ang 2020 gift giving journal. So let's take a look kung unsay sulod sa ilahang gift giving journal today. Let's check it out. Sa ito journal. Mag-claim niya ko, mes. Napay navy blue. Okay, so it's nice that available pa ilahang navy blue. So, yes please. Navy blue? Okay, thank you. Alright, let's take a closer look on this one. Once we get back to our seat. So, we're happy to get the planner or the journal that we are looking for, the navy blue, and we'll take a closer look sa sulod ani. Let me just settle in a few and let's discuss this all together. Alright, so we're back and as I've mentioned earlier, we will talk about, we will explore what's inside this journal. So, unsay iyang, layout for this year and all those stuff and mga freebies and whatnot because normally not yung mga freebies. So, but before that, I'd like to mention that having a Coffee Bean card will really, is advantage siya. This costs 150 pesos but lifetime na yung membership. So, what you get is about 5% goes back to your card, so naka-rewards nga 5%, so it's like having 5 pesos for every 100 pesos spent sa any Coffee Bean stores. So eventually, if ma-earn na mo enough points, you can use the points to pay for the beverage or desserts or whatever products nga gibaligya sa Coffee Bean. So that's one thing that I like about it, and plus you get an exclusive access to Wi-Fi because if dili ka member, if wala kay card, dili ka nila tagaan o password sa ilahang Wi-Fi. Alright, so without further ado, so mid-December I was able to complete my card. So unlike their competitor Starbucks, it requires 18 stamps, but here at Coffee Bean, they only require about 12 stamps. But if you'd like to go for their tumbler, you may add another 6, so that's 18 stamps all in all. But this one is optional. So I opt to get the journal kay gamit kayo siya. So wag mo lang, 12 stamps ako. Okay. So we're here to discuss this again and let's begin. Okay, so let's review the sleeve. So I like the design sa iyang sleeve. I find it very unique. May geometrical patterns and mga flowers or plants design around it. So it's very nice. So we'll start looking at the actual journal itself. So one thing that I've noticed is a bit smaller compared to the 2018 and 2019 journal. I started collecting about 2018 if I'm not mistaken. So I'll share the picture somewhere here. The journals that I got over the past years. So Monisha, I find navy blue attractive. Nasa available katong green, cream, and kalimot ko sa usa ka color, but this one I find it good looking. So one thing na siya ay rubber na to secure or seal the notebook or the journal para dili siya mag-open. So that's something that is very good. And then more siya moleskin. Felt yung yung texture. And of course personal information and all that stuff, and monthly planner. And one thing I like about it is dili siya line, so I can write and doodle anything on the journal as I see fit. And also the middle of the journal ay free stickers, and towards the end na ay mga coupons. So one thing I like the coupons is on the previous years kay every month na kay coupon, but this one is wala siya expiration date. So all throughout the year you can use it if you think na applicable siya sa imong purchase for that particular transaction. So you can increase your or go up size. We have 2 coupons for that. Go large. We also have buy 2 plus 1 coupon for tea, and other we also have 10% discount for tumblers and other coupons. So all in all, I have 18 different coupons that we can use all year long starting 2020. So this is valid up until December 31, 2020. So the reason why I also galit claim ani is to make sure that we're able to plan ahead before the 2020 starts and write down our plans and goals for next year. So currently I'm continually collecting another set of tumbler of stamps because I'm aiming for the tumbler if kaya pa sa budget. So right now I'm at 6 stamps. Kung pangitang 6 stamps naman siguro ko if I'm not mistaken. Anyway, or 6 stamps na lagi. So yeah, and hopefully we're able to nanapos laylain double stamps para kahit magastuhan. And I think that's it. So if you are also a fan of Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf, make sure to hit the like button, and if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel. And I think that's just it for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Have a great day. Bye bye.